This is a beginner's guide to profit taking in crypto. Whether you're a seasoned hodler or just dipping your toes into the crypto waters, understanding how to strategically take profits is a game changer. We'll be covering different strategies and ensuring your gains are not just on paper, but in your pocket. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to elevate your crypto success. So hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's get on this journey to crypto wealth together. Forget about holding crypto forever. If you want to change your financial life for the better, you simply have to take profits out along the way. This could be to reduce your debt or achieve some personal goals. For example, in today's video, we're going to be looking at 5 crypto strategies I wish I'd known about in 2017 and 2021, and we'll be finishing off with a strategy that might just change your life. Let's call this the Millionaire strategy. Ready? Let's dive in. Strategy number 1 is zero crypto strategy. This is what not to do. Back in early 21, I got into a coin with zero utility. I didn't know the use case, basically what it does. I put 2,000 in, and a few short weeks later, my coins were worth a massive £68,000. I didn't cash out, and this is because of FOMO and greed. I got carried away with the hype surrounding crypto at the time, and this led to pain. I was anxious and stressed for months after. If I'm being honest, it still gives me nightmares over 2 years later. This wasn't a good period of my life, and I really don't want you to make similar investing mistakes. Not taking profits out of this coin was one of my biggest investment mistakes in over 20 years. But I've learned from it, and I'm ready for the next bull run. I'm laser focused on a cash out strategy that is more suitable for me and my family. Zero crypto strategy means you are basically gambling away your hard-earned money. You are chasing quick, easy money, and from my experience, this doesn't work. It will lead to emotional investing, and it will lead to stupid mistakes. Strategy number 2, play with their money. Play with the house's money. Going into 2021, I was about £8,000 down after 4 years of crypto investing. This was a big issue for me, as I was sick of making poor investing choices. This all changed with Solana. I managed to get into Solana in January 21 at a price of about $3 per coin. I can't remember the price exactly, but I remember accumulating 600 coins. By August 21, I had cashed out 20,000 and still had 200 Solana coins left. This was a big deal to me. First of all, I'd learned my lesson after not cashing out with my shit coin earlier in the year, and I was now playing with the house's money. I was up by a few thousand, and I still had crypto investments worth a decent amount of money. You could do this as well over the next few years. Let us say your dollar cost average 1,000, like maybe £100 per month into a crypto, and it doubles to 2,000. You could cash out 1,000, your initial investment, and then the other 1,000 is the house's money. You can relax knowing that you have crypto and you haven't paid anything for it. Strategy number 3 is pay off your debt crypto strategy. Now we are getting into the personal goal territory. You may have £5,000 left on a personal loan. This costs you £250 per calendar month and puts a little bit of strain on your personal finances. Let's go back to the previous example. Again, you've managed to dollar cost average into a crypto of your choice, like Ethereum or maybe Solana. You get lucky and your crypto does a 10x, and all of a sudden you have 10,000 in crypto. In this scenario, you could cash out 50% of your crypto coins and take £5,000 out. This means you can pay off your personal loan, get rid of that debt, and it also means you still have £5,000 worth of crypto to play with. There are no guarantees of a 10x, but after the last bull market, it's very possible. I experienced it with Solana, and many more crypto investors made 100x returns or even 1,000x return. Strategy number 4 is the treat yourself strategy. Now we're going to imagine you put £10,000 into your crypto portfolio. You might have been putting a few hundred quid in for the last 2 or 3 years in preparation for the upcoming bull market, or you've saved 10,000 and are ready to invest into crypto. Let us say you have some Bitcoin and 3 or 4 altcoins, and your entire portfolio does a 5x during the course of the next bull run. This might be a few months after the next Bitcoin halving due at the start of 2024. The Bitcoin halving event directly relates to its deflationary tendency and squeezes its supply, which helps the Bitcoin price to rise further. You're now sat on £50,000 and have decided to treat yourself to a new car. If this was me, I'd probably get a Volvo XC60 second hand. This is a little boring, but it's okay as this is perfect for my personality. Let's just say I'm not a wild party animal as I start my 40s. If you're fortunate enough, you might end up 10x in your 10,000 and are now sat on £100,000 worth of crypto. Now you can get the sports car you've always wanted, and you might have some left over for that dream holiday. You're going to have different ways to treat yourself. I'm just putting some examples out there. Strategy number 5 is the big one and is called the life-changing strategy. Life-changing to me would be to become financially independent over the next few years. And I'm convinced that crypto investing will help me hit this goal of mine. The goal I set 5 years ago as a 35-year-old was to be financially independent by the age of 45, so a 10-year goal. To become financially independent, I need give or take 20 rental properties. This would mean I would be financially independent from the cash flow. Then I would be a full-time investor and would have much more freedom. Freedom to do more of what I want with the people I love. Currently, I have 7 rental properties and I'm not that far off the halfway mark to my main goal. If I keep going the way I'm going, I'm confident of getting 1 rental property per year for the next 5 years. And that means a total of 12 rental properties. To accelerate things, I intend to use crypto profits over the next few years to buy more rental properties. I'm dollar cost averaging it in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon, Solana and CAS, and also have various other altcoins to make up my entire portfolio. Due to blockchain technology and the current adoption trajectory, my feeling is that the current market cap of crypto as a whole will increase significantly over the next 5 years. I'm in crypto for the long term and I'm pushing hard for this life-changing strategy. To do this, I'm going to cash out at various stages. My personal cash out strategy is aligned with the price of Bitcoin. I'm very confident that the price of Bitcoin will at least surpass the last all-time high during the next bull market. Based on my conviction of the technology and the continued adoption of Bitcoin and crypto, I believe the price for 1 Bitcoin will surpass $100,000 over the next few years. I'm going to continue to dollar cost average into crypto during the next bull market, and when the price of Bitcoin gets to $100,000, I'm going to cash out 50% of my portfolio. And then with profits made from crypto, capital gains, I'll pay the tax required that I have to pay, then I'll put the rest into property. At this stage, I'm going to reassess my options and decide on the next step in terms of cashing out and taking some crypto profits off the table. This could well make me a millionaire. I'm convinced many millionaires will be made during the next bull run. Why not me and you? I just feel that anything is possible with crypto. What your cash out strategy is will be dependent on your risk tolerance and your goals. The main message from me is that you need some form of strategy, some form of cash out strategy. Learn about crypto and then you can invest with skill. And fingers crossed, you will end up with life-changing returns from crypto. But how are you going to cash out if you don't know what to invest into? To find out what I'm pinning my early retirement hopes on, check out the video below in the description. Thanks for listening.